All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner's choice with the Aaron Jones, Hank Aaron ball. What else was in there? Oh, the Standing Bernie bobblehead and the Giannis canvas. So we'll check the time, April 30th at 5:30 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have April 30th at 5:30 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brandon. Spot 7 is your winner. So, Brandon, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 30th, 5:30 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.